And in this video, I'll show you the fastest and cleanest way to install Google Docs on your Mac. By the end of this video, Google Docs will open directly from your dock and Launchpad, just like a normal Mac application. First, move down to the dock at the bottom of your screen and open the App Store. Once the App Store opens, move to the search bar in the top left corner and type Google Docs. Then press Enter. Now here's something important most people don't realize. You'll start seeing apps like Docs for Google Docs and Drive. But if you look closely, these are not official apps made by Google. These are basically third-party client apps. They help you access Google Docs more easily, but they are not created by Google itself. So, if you want the cleanest and safest method, here's what you should do instead. Move back down to the dock at the bottom and open Safari or Chrome. I personally recommend Chrome for this method. Now move to the address bar at the top and type docs.google.com. Then press Enter. And just like that, you're now inside Google Docs. But right now, it still works like a normal website. So, let's turn it into a real Mac app. Move to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. Now hover your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install Page as App. A small pop-up window will appear. Now simply click Install. And that's it. Google Docs is now installed as an app on your Mac. Now look down at the dock at the bottom, and you'll see Google Docs sitting there like a normal Mac application. You can now open it anytime with just one click. But let's take it one step further. Move down to the dock again and open Launchpad. And here you can see Google Docs now appears inside Launchpad as well. So, even though there's no official Google Docs app for Mac, you can still install the website as a fully working application. And honestly, this makes accessing your documents much faster and easier. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.